Say hi, guys. That'll do.
Tell me about doctor.
Really? Really?
Incredible.
That's incredible. Brave. That's the normal salute. Lovely day.
So cosy. Having you. That's so cool.
Perth Cam.
Stood here in London waiting for the rain to stop. It's a proper British summer.
It's the most wonderful day of the year, you know that, don't you? The sun is shining somewhere.
The sky is blue.
Yeah.
It's beautiful and
Yeah.
Yep.
You're going to have fun. Sunshine before night.
That's all we need, is it? Have a great day. It's great to be part of this exciting celebration. So thank you so much for your help too, guys. Really, really appreciate it.
brilliant. Thank you. Go on, a message for back home, boys.
Pageant champions.
Bring your son out.
Bring home silverware today. Go Carol.
Yeah, we're winning.
Did these guys come over special?
No, I dragged this one. I dragged this one.
And now we have problems because the pole has swollen in the rain.
I know there is a camera.
So they're going to put the trunk. Yeah.
G'day.
G'day. No worries. No worries. Oh, right. Sorry about that.
That's my head height, Alice.
Here we are. So can we say hello for the camera?
Hello.
Hello.
Don't start bring the wind up, but.
Oi, oi, oi!
I think you should start like that there.
Who wants to stroke then? Chris or Chris?
Jesus.
One with the green hat on. The green hat one. No, the green hat. Just the that's the one behind it. That's the little one.
Ah, okay. Okay, Jack, you all
just you're not going over. There's some coming on behind you.
Right, lovely, thank you. Okay, whole crew. Right, 2 strokes. Row. Easy all. Thank you. Blades on the water, please.
Look at people up in their $1 million houses waving to us.
Okay, smile, guys. Brilliant. Smile, Chris. Really?
Really?
That's incredible.
Should be one that's enclosed and everything. Shouldn't be too cold for us.
well, no, we should come in on the back of it.
And row. Okay, whole crew. Ready to row and row. Oi, oi!